We begin with breaking news.
발칸반도 알바니아에서 6.4 규모의 지진이 나서
So 4 o'clock this morning, local time is when it took place.
A 6.4 magnitude earthquake.
The 6.4 magnitude quake struck 30 kilometers northwest.
This video, inside a store in Albania's capital, he survived because his grandmother reportedly sheltered him from the falling debris at the cost of her life.
Before all this happened, I was just an isolated, selfish senior trying to prepare myself for my future career. My head was full of concerns about the application, schoolwork, and friendship. But then, at 4 a.m. on November 26, a powerful earthquake with a magnitude of 6.4 hit Albania. It shook my body, my heart, and my soul. At that very moment, my only concern was to survive. So a survival instinct told me to go underneath the desk to protect myself. After getting myself together from a tragic earthquake, I thought to myself, there are people out there on the edge of the cliff, in between life and death. And I'm here stressing myself with the concerns that don't even affect how I breathe. So I took the camera and went to see the people who lost their home, job, and family. I went to the bakery that me and my friends used to go to, and he would often give us extra bread for free, just out of kindness. Unfortunately, what I witnessed was a complete destruction of the bakery. He had lost his only job and a passion for his life. But during this chaotic situation, there was a boy who gave me a warm smile with his mom. His smile was like a crack in an eggshell, opening my heart to break the isolation that I had and allow me to look around my neighbors. Because there are people who are going through some tough situations that can't be even compared with mine. So, I decided to do this. So, let's ask ourselves, are we too focused on striving for greatness in our lives and leaving the unfortunate ones behind? What are we striving for? What is your goal in your life? If spreading love and caring for others isn't the answer, then maybe we should reconsider our goals in life.